What's up, guys? Matt Freitag here. I want to do a video today of an unboxing of our brand new Leatherback Hypo Zero bearded dragon that we got from Dustin at Optimum Reptiles. I just want to show you exactly how he packs them up and what this little dragon's going to look like. So here we go. I'm going to cut the box open now. Alright, in the top of the box, he's got the reptile basic care here included. I'll show you that. It's just basic information that he's included for his customers to look at that tell exactly the cleaning, the enclosure and housing, lighting and temps, watering, supplements, and feeding. And here's his business card right here. I just want to show you. I'll put it up here. Optimum Reptile. And I want to flip it around here. And that's him, that's his number, and his email, and he's on Facebook at Optimum Reptile, and his website's optimumreptile.com. Alright, so here we go. Let's open this little guy up here. Oh yeah. So let me show you, I'm just going to pick up the camera here and I'll show you right down in here. So he's got a container. And you can actually see the bearded in there right now looking at us. Let me flip the camera around here so I'll get the other view. Okay, here we go. It's already used the bathroom in here. That should be a good sign. Let's pull it out. Oh, all right, looks good. And he's got other stuff down here. He's got a heat pack in here. He's got holes poked in the side to provide oxygen for it over the trip. He's out in California, so it came from California all the way over here to Cleveland, Tennessee. Let's open this top right here and pull this little guy out before we put him in his cage, and I'll show you exactly his colors. All right, I'm sure, and I keep saying he, but it's actually a female. I'm sure she's a little bit stressed from the trip, but oh man. This thing is so pretty. Look at this. Oh, it's got the leatherback. Like I said, it is it's a female leatherback Hypo Zero, and it's a 66% het for translucent. So, all right, I'm gonna sign off now and put it over here in the enclosure, but stay tuned for more videos from these dragon adventures and when I show it to Anime this afternoon. And thanks again to Dustin at Optimum Reptiles for all the great customer service he did and for getting the dragon here safely and quickly.